Have you ever felt the need to prove yourself to the world? To shout your dreams out loud, hoping someone would notice? Yet deep inside, you know that true success doesn't need noise. It grows quietly, like a seed in the soil, waiting for the right moment to bloom. This is the heart of today's message: hustle in silence, let success speak. The loudest dreams are often the quietest journeys. Many people believe that talking about their dreams makes them real. They post, they shout, they announce. But dreams do not grow louder because of words, they grow stronger because of work. The quietest journeys, the ones that are hidden in early mornings and late nights, are often the loudest when success finally comes. It is not about who knows you are working. It is about the work itself becoming undeniable proof of your path. Small steps in silence build unshakable foundations. When you work silently, each step may look small to the outside world. No applause, no recognition. But brick by brick, you are laying down a foundation that cannot be destroyed. Imagine a house built without noise, carefully, slowly. Years later, it still stands, while those who rushed with attention-seeking walls see theirs crumble. Silence gives you time, focus, and strength. Silence protects your energy from the noise of others. When you tell everyone your plans, you invite their doubts, fears, and jealousy. Their voices mix with your inner voice, and soon you are confused. But silence is like a shield. It keeps your energy safe from the negativity of others. It allows you to grow without interruption, without someone watering your seed with poison. In silence, your energy is focused, and your dream becomes clearer. The grind no one sees is the one that shapes you. The hours you spend when no one is watching, those are the hours that shape your destiny. People only see the final picture, the success, the applause, the recognition. But they don't see the lonely mornings, the tired nights, the sacrifices. And maybe that is how it should be. You don't need them to see. You need to keep grinding until one day, your results speak so loudly that no explanation is needed. Discipline grows stronger in the dark. Discipline is not built under the spotlight. It is built in the quiet moments when you choose action over comfort. Waking up when the world still sleeps, practicing when no one cheers, learning when no one claps, that is where discipline is born. And discipline is the true key to success. In silence, discipline grows roots. Later, in success, discipline grows wings. Not every move deserves an audience. In our world today, people believe everything must be shared. Every move, every step, every thought. But the truth is, not every move deserves an audience. Some moves are too sacred, too fragile to expose. When you keep certain steps hidden, you protect them from early judgment and destruction. The best parts of your journey are sometimes the ones no one knows about until they become victories. Patience is power in disguise. The world tells us to rush, to run, to keep up. But those who hustle in silence understand a secret. Patience is not weakness, it is hidden power. The seed does not bloom the day it is planted. It needs time, water, and care. Your silent work, combined with patience, becomes unstoppable. When you wait with discipline, You are not losing time, you are gaining strength. Silence teaches you to listen to your own voice. When you stop speaking about your dreams, you start hearing them more clearly inside. Silence clears the noise of the world, the opinions, the judgments. What remains is your own inner voice. That voice guides you, keeps you steady, and reminds you why you started. To hustle in silence is to reconnect with yourself, to trust the voice that others cannot hear. Results whisper louder than promises. Words are easy. Promises are cheap. But results are undeniable. When you hustle in silence, you don't need to promise the world what you will do. You simply do it. And when the result comes, it speaks louder than all the promises you could have made. A quiet victory carries more weight than 1,000 loud declarations. Greatness grows when no one is clapping. It is easy to work when people are cheering. But true greatness grows in the shadows, when no one notices, when no one celebrates. If you can keep moving without applause, without recognition, then you are building a strength that will last. Applause is temporary. Growth is permanent. The real test of your dream is whether you can keep going when no one is watching. Success is proof, not a performance. Some people live their lives performing for the world, trying to look successful before they are. But real success doesn't need performance. It is not about looking the part, it is about becoming the part. Silence allows you to stop performing and start transforming. And when success comes, it is not an act, it is proof. Proof of your effort, your discipline, your quiet hustle. Let your silence prepare the stage for your success to speak. Every moment you stay quiet, every choice you keep hidden, is building a stage. And when the curtain rises, your success will be the one speaking. You will not need to announce yourself. You will not need to shout. The results will speak for you. That is the beauty of hustling in silence. When success arrives, it becomes the voice you never needed to use. In life, silence is not emptiness. It is preparation. Every silent morning, every unnoticed effort, every quiet sacrifice is shaping your future. Hustling in silence is not about hiding, it is about focusing. And when the time is right, the world will hear you through your results, not your words. Now, let's take this principle and apply it to something close to you: learning English. When you study, no one may notice. You may sit alone, repeating words, listening to stories, practicing sentences. There is no applause, no claps. But one day, when you speak fluently, when you understand without fear, when you communicate with confidence, your success will speak louder than all the silent hours. So remember, hustle in silence, let success speak. If today's story touched you, stay with us on this journey at Tailcrafter English. Here, every story is a step closer to your growth, not just in English listening, but in life itself. Subscribe, follow along, and let's continue building quiet strength together until your success speaks for you.